Hey princesses, welcome back to Princess Beauty TV. I am back with another wig review, and this time I will be reviewing Penny. You all know about Penny. This one is in the 26-inch, okay, in a color 1B. I am doing the headband half wig, okay, with this headband. I'm doing like a series of wigs, okay. So let's get started. I'm unboxing her real quick. Okay, here is Penny. Oh my goodness. Do y'all see these gorgeous curls? So cute. This beautiful curl pattern on this wig. Okay, cap construction. It has one long comb right at the top. It has a comb in the back with the adjustable straps on each side. Alright, let's get Penny on. Let's see what she's working with. Yes. Okay, here is Penny. Oh my goodness. This is so soft. Oh my, she is gorgeous. Okay, let's do the 360. This is her from the side. Okay, the back. And the other side, and back to the front. These curls are popping, honey. She's long too. 26 inches stretched. Okay? So, looks pretty good. Oh my goodness, I am loving this. Look at those curls, so cute. Super cute curls on this unit. Super cute. Okay, it doesn't shed much at all, okay? And with a wig that's curled like this, you know it is going to tangle for sure, especially a curly unit, so I already know that. But I think it's worth every penny. Penny is worth every penny, okay? Yes. So, you can definitely style her in a lot of cute styles. Like the ponytail, of course. I'm not doing too much with it, okay? Because I do not want to mess up these curls on this. You can bring her up into a ponytail at the top and down. Something like that. Okay? That's really cute. Real cute. Or you can do like a top knot up there and down at the bottom. You can do so much with this unit. You want to rock her to the side like that, you can do that too. You can do what you gotta do with this, because she is gorgeous. Okay? I am having so much fun running my, well, I won't say running my fingers through it, but rubbing it, because if I ran my fingers through it, I would not be able to get them out. Gorgeous. Okay, I did go ahead and pop her into a little bun at the top. So you can definitely do something like that. Okay, so I definitely recommend this beautiful unit. Absolutely love it. It's just gorgeous, gorgeous style. So that pretty much wraps it up for this wig review. And if you're new to my channel and have not subscribed, please smash that like button. Okay, please share this video with others, comment, like, and all that good stuff. All right, and I will see you all in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye.